ASUS ScreenPad gives you an efficient new way to interact with your laptop. Press the F6 key to turn on ScreenPad and start experiencing the amazing new features. The new ScreenPad with ScreenXpert 2.0 comes with several new features to improve your productivity. You can use ScreenPad as a secondary screen for cross-referencing, or simply open a suitable app window on ScreenPad to make multitasking easier. ScreenPad gives you a smartphone-like interface, making it even more intuitive to use. As well as the built-in utilities, you can also use your favorite apps on ScreenPad. There are also shortcuts on the navigation bar to improve cross-display efficiency. With App Switcher, you can move app windows smoothly between ScreenPad and the main display on your laptop. Simply pull the video app window onto the App Switcher icon to launch it on ScreenPad. Then you can multitask and get things done on the main display. If you wish to move the app windows back to the main display for a bigger viewing experience, you can long tap to preview it on the main display, or short tap the App Switcher icon on the navigation bar. You can also add apps onto ScreenPad by swiping left to the last screen and select the apps from the list of currently running apps. Long press the icons to personalize the apps on ScreenPad, drag to rearrange the order, or tap the X icon to remove them. Task Group is a simple way to open multiple app windows in your chosen layout. This lets you get to work quickly with a single tap. To manage all open app windows on both screens, simply tap on the App Navigator in the Control Center from the navigation bar. A list of all the app windows currently running in both screens will appear. You can drag to move the app windows between two screens, or simply tap on the left corner of the app windows. Or to manage currently running app windows on ScreenPad, tap the App Navigator on ScreenPad icon. Scroll to see the open app windows on ScreenPad, and close an app window by tapping the X icon. Or click on an app window to maximize it on ScreenPad. With Control Center, you can access frequently used functions, including App Navigator, Task Group Capture, and ScreenPad Lock, or adjust the brightness and other settings. You can also move the Control Center to the main display as a Control Center floating button for easy management of ScreenPad via the main display. Using Link to My ASUS, you can link your phone to your laptop, then easily make and receive phone calls via ScreenPad. Click on the Link to My ASUS icon and select the phone function. You can check your call history or use the phone book and phone keypad via ScreenPad. You can make a phone call easily using ScreenPad and minimize it to a floating button so you can continue to work smoothly on your ScreenPad. If you want to use ScreenPad as a touchpad, use Mode Switch to resume standard touchpad operation for your normal workflow. Simply tap the top right corner to return to ScreenPad mode. You can also quick tap with 3 fingers to temporarily give you cursor control. It will revert back to ScreenPad after 2 seconds of inactivity. This comes in handy if you only need the touchpad function for a few seconds. You can also turn off ScreenPad completely by pressing the F6 key. This key toggles ScreenPad on and off whenever you wish.